So hello everyone, this is Jayant and welcome to the channel. So today we are doing a review for the Mevi Thunderbeats wireless earphones. So let's get started. Roll the intro. So first let's talk about some features of these earphones. This earphones comes with IPX4.0 splash and sweat proof. So if you are sweating or if you splash some water on these earphones, it will be no issue. Also these earphones comes with Qualcomm CVC noise cancellation, which is best in my opinion. Also this wireless earphones has Bluetooth 5.0, which enables us to move these earphones around 30 feet away from the device which it is connected. Also this enables us to pair these earphones with 2 or less devices simultaneously. So as far as the sound quality is concerned, if you ask me, they sound really good but not as much as my expectations. But if we compare its price and if we compare these earphones with others, I think they sound better than Boat wireless earphones. I've also tried Boat Rockers and I think so Mevi Thunderbirds sound better than Boat Rockers. So at this price range, I think so the sound quality is really good. Also I was playing PUBG and the sound quality was fine, I guess, and I was receiving calls through this earphone. The audio was crisp and clear and the other party never complained about the sound and audio quality of my call. So you can buy that for the sound quality. So if you are concerned about the sound quality, they are great in my opinion. So now let's talk about the look and feel. I think they feel very comfortable in my ears. I was jogging and skipping and doing exercises with these earphones plugged in and my earphone never fell off my ears. Also sometimes they feel very bulky or they might irritate you if you plug in them in your ears for long hours. So I had that issue with it, but it's completely fine considering its price, which is Mevi has priced this so less that I can't complain about it. So now let's talk about the build quality. I think so the build quality is just fine. Means as compared to the competition, Mevi provides great build quality to these earphones, but it is not satisfactory on my side because I am a rough user as far as the earphones and any tech gadgets are concerned. So I think so Mevi should improve the build quality of the earphones. Don't get me wrong, they have fairly good build quality, but slightly they can improve, I guess. It's not top notch, but yeah, it's okay, I guess. Now let's come to the battery life. And here the Mevi beats all the competition in the battery life segment. I was consistently hearing music for long hours and battery life was never an issue for me. The Mevi Thunderbeats earphones easily last you around 8 hours of battery life, and which is very nice as compared to the competition, which is Boat Rockers, which only provides 6 to 7 hours. I was roughly getting around 7 to 8 hours of battery life on continuously on high sound. So it will easily last you around 8 to 9 hours on low volume, because when I was listening to music, the sound was little bit high. So now let's come to the part which you are most excited for, the price. The price of these earphones is around 1400 rupees, but it is not constant throughout the year. I remember buying this product for around 1100 rupees 4 months ago, and they're constantly putting out offers all over the year for, let's say, Ganesh Chaturthi or Diwali offer. So you can grab your product at this festival, so you can get it for reduced price. So to summarize things up, these earphones are great at this price considering Bluetooth 5.0 support, Qualcomm CVC active noise cancellation, also IPX4.0 sweat and splash proof. This makes these earphones a bang for a buck. Also I have some complaints about this product, which are if you constantly wear these earphones around 2 or 3 hours, they might irritate you also. Also the build quality is below my expectations, so maybe if you are listening, then please improve this part of in your earphones. So at the price of around 1400, I think so they are best earphones to buy. So the link will be in description to buy. If you want to buy, please buy the product from my link. It will help my channel a lot. So that was the review, guys. If you are using the Mevi Thunderbird earphones, drop your experience in the comment section below. Also like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. And this is Jayant signing off. I will catch you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Peace.